So hey guys, welcome back to UC and Master Tech. Today we are going to unbox Lenovo Tab 410. Without wasting time, let's get started. So we'll take it and open it. We have in this, I think, charger, tab only. Once check it out. I removed the tab now. We'll remove charger. Only charger we have. We don't have any earphones or any screen guard. Oh shit, they have removed it. Yes. Once we'll fix it out. Yes. Now once we'll open the tab. I think power is off. We have to open it. Once we'll see back. Yes, it's good. Yes, it's switch off. Once we'll switch on. Open it. Once we'll open the interface. Once we'll see its interface. The performance is somewhat slow, but we can use it. Yes. Here we have all settings which we use. Yes. See it. We have all the settings which we use in normal phone. Yes. Here we have YouTube and Google, also Chrome. Something is there here. We'll open it and see. Yes, it is somewhat related to account. We have settings. We can see all the settings. I think it is somewhat hanging, so it's not good, but we can use for daily purpose or office purpose. I have installed already somewhat apps which are needed for me. Yes. Okay. Charging is also not full, so I'll keep charging. So hey guys, welcome back to UC Tech. Oh shit. Like, share and subscribe to UC Kindmaster Tech for more videos.